topic to today's video is how to make more money on TikTok with affiliate marketing. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. If they ask for your credit card, don't give them your credit card till you've thoroughly researched that company first. Now, it's no secret that TikTok is the next big thing. The app has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and despite challenges to its ability to operate in the US, it appears that it's here to stay. In a similar vein, affiliate marketing has also steadily grown in power and popularity recently, which means that savvy marketers will be looking for ways to use affiliate marketing on TikTok. The short video format of TikTok, which is 3 minutes, right now it's limited to 3 minutes, enables you to demonstrate products in real time, or at the very least, visually showcase them. The brief recordings can be more impactful for viewers than simply reading about them in a blog post or watching a lengthy YouTube video. With that being said, you can also place your affiliate links in video descriptions, provided that you have a TikTok business account, so that users can get the same ease of access as a written format. Now, the strategies for effective affiliate marketing on TikTok. 1. Create a business account, and you'll need a smartphone to do this. You can't go on your computer unless they change that. You have to create a business account on your smartphone. If you like to start promoting products on TikTok, we recommend setting up a business account or switching to one of your current, if you currently have a TikTok account, switch it to a business account. TikTok for Business is designed to help brands get discovered more quickly. 2, choose your affiliate marketing products carefully. Putting together videos for TikTok can be time consuming. As a content creator, your daily to-do list may already include creating content for other social media pages. To save time and energy, it's important to determine which products could do well on TikTok before working on your videos. You may also want to start by checking out the trending topics on the TikTok business platform. Although TikTok boasts a wide variety of users with varied interests and lifestyles, the overall demographic skews the young. In fact, over 60% of users are under the age of 30, and half of those users are under 20. It's wise to consider these age groups when deciding which products to promote. For best results, we recommend sticking to products that appeal to millennials and Generation Z. Additionally, consider that these users may be less likely to have large amounts of disposable income. 3, focus on building a strong TikTok channel. Affiliate marketing is largely a numbers game. It's important to create strong content and present products appealingly. However, sales often come down to how many impressions you get on your videos. The more people who see them, the more opportunities you have to convert. Now, to get views needed for an effective affiliate marketing campaign on TikTok, it's smart to focus on building your channel. We recommend 1, keeping up with and leveraging emerging trends, using hashtags properly, and capitalizing on content that goes viral to build momentum. 4, consider paying for TikTok ads. As with most social platforms, TikTok offers the option to pay for promoted content. Promoted content guarantees a certain number of impressions. While these impressions don't necessarily mean you'll see the results you want, like more sales, they definitely increase the odds. 5, work the product into your videos organically. If you spend any time on TikTok yourself, You'll notice that many content creators feature branded products in their videos. Often, creators position the items quite prominently and sometimes don't directly mention them. They're simply in the frame of the video. New TikTok users might not notice them right away, as the placement is meant to be somewhat organic and subtle. However, over time it becomes easier to see certain brands and products pop up constantly in videos from diverse creators. Number 6, display your affiliate links in videos. As mentioned earlier, when you have a TikTok business account, you can add a link to the profile page. However, you can only have one link at a time, so you may have to find other means of directing viewers to your products. One way to do this is by displaying links within your content. For instance, let's say you create a video in which you recommend a few items that travelers should pack in their hand luggage. At the end of the clip, you could show their affiliate link to the shop where viewers can purchase those products. You can also add this link to the video caption. Now, Canva.com, offers some beautiful templates for TikTok videos. Number 7, generate short links for your affiliate products. When displaying links in your videos and captions, it's important to remember that these are not clickable. Viewers may have to enter a link in their browser to visit the page you're promoting. Therefore, we recommend using links that are short and memorable. Unfortunately, affiliate links tend to be long and messy, which may put off viewers. However, you can use your Pretty Links plugin to generate short, branded links for the products you want to promote. Conclusion: TikTok and affiliate marketing go together extremely well. Whether you already have a large following on TikTok and want to start earning income from it, or you're an affiliate marketer looking for a new platform, you can't go wrong by combining the two. Now, some of the training that I'm involved with, I'm going to tell you about some of the training I'm involved with. The simplest and the best affiliate coaching for beginners is Devon Brown, Devon Brown. You can find his link below. The best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Cristani and his SAS training system, and his link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both Pajama Profits training with system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Cristani, Devon Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success. Thank you.